Dear students, I am Devendra Vermaster. In this video, I will explain you how to do LCM and HCF.
Now you can see here fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. The statement is every composite number can be expressed as product of prime, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Now you can see, for example, if I am giving C, if I need to write 12 factors, how can you write 12 factors? Someone will say here 2 into 2 into 3. See here, 2 2 ja how much? 4. 4 3 ja how much? 12. Are you getting 12 or not? One person say that 2 square into 3. Indirectly we can write it as 2 is how many times here? 2 times. That means 2 square into 3. One more person, see, one more person will say here 3 into 2 into 2. That means 3 into 2 square. See, so that only they mentioned here apart from the order in which the prime factor occurs. You can write in this way or in this way. Both are correct. So, but you can see the prime numbers are unique or not. See here, how many numbers are repeated? 1, 2, 3. Here also 3. Same primes are repeated or not. See, so that only see here every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime and its factorization is unique. If any times you can do, you will get 2, 2 and 3 only. You will not get others, either 5 or 7 or 11. You will not get the other prime numbers. You will get these prime numbers only. These are unique. Now I will move to exercise problem. Now you can see here exercise 1.2, express each of the following numbers as a product of prime factors. Product of prime factors. You know that. First one you can see here 156. How can you do? You know that. See here prime factorization method. See. First you can check with prime numbers. Start from 2, 3, 5, 7. You can write in ascending order. That means increasing order you can take. First of all, I am taking here 2. See here 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 16. Next time also you can take 2 3 ja 3, 2 9 ja 18. Now you can see the units place is how much? 9. 9 is divisible by 2. It's not divisible by 2. Why? Because it is the 39 is a odd numbers. So don't take 2 table. Next prime number will be 3. Once you can check 39 is divisible by 3 or not. 9 plus 3 is how much? 12. 12 is multiple of 3 or not? Yes, so that you can take 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. Next you can take 13. You know that 13 is a prime number or not? Yes. Can you stop now here? Yes, we have to stop until we get prime numbers. See here you can write here 156. 156 is equal, you can write in order 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. You can write here 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. To simplify you can write here 2 how many times repeated? 2 times. That means you can write here 2 power 2. 2 square into 3 into 13. This is your answer. You have to write very easiest way. Already you have learned in this one in the previous classes how to do prime numbers only. One more problem you can check. Next problem, once you can see here 3825. See 3825. First you can take second prime number. What is the first prime number? Second only, 2 only. Whether the number is divisible by 2 or not? Not divisible. Why? Because see here 5 is not divisible by 2. So that you can move to next prime number. What is the next prime number? 3. Once you can check what is the divisibility rule of 3. Once you can count all the sum of the numbers. 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 3 is how much? 18. 18 is a multiple of 3 or not? Yes. So that you can take 3 table. Here you can see here 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. Remainder is how much? 22. 3 7 ja 21. 3 5 ja 15. Once again you can check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. 7, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So the you can take 3 table. 3 4 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. One more time. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. 6 plus 5, how much? 11. Is 11 is multiple of 3? It's not possible. So leave it. Next prime number you can take 5. You know that the unit place is 5 or 0. The number will be divisible by 5. So that you can take 5 tables. You can see here 5 8 ja 40, 5 5 ja 25. Next time also you can take here 5 1 ja 5 7 ja. Is there any chance 5th table? No chance. After 5 you can take 7. It's no chance 11, no chance 13, no chance 17. 17 is a prime number already you know. Can you stop now? Here you can stop the simplification process. Now you can write in the order. You can write in order 3825 is equal 3 into 3. You can write here 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. These are all prime numbers or not? Yes, you can write here 3 into 3. That means you can write 3 power 2, 3 square. 5 into 5, you can write here 5 square into 17. Your answer is how much? We are expressing in the form of prime factorization. 3 power 2 into 5 power 2 into 17. Now you can see here, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. What is the prime factorization method? Once you can see what are the numbers are given 12, 15, 21. You know that 12 can be expressed as. How can you express 12? You can just check. Here see here 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Can you write 2 into 2 into 3? Can I write or not? That only you can write here. 2 into 2 into 3. That means 2 into 2 into 3 means you can take 2 power 2 into 3. 3 means 3 power 1. Is it okay? I hope you may understood this one. Next time you can check 15. How can you write 15? In the similar way. Just you can take here. These are all rough work. See. First you can check is 15 is divisible by 2. It's not divisible by 2. Why? Because the unit place is 5. Next prime number will be 3. 3 5 is how much? 15. So you can write in here 3 into 5. You can write here 3 into 1. 3 into 5. That means 3 power 1 to 5 power 1. Next you can take 21. How can you express 21? See here 21. See first whether it is divisible by 2, no chance. Next you can take 3. 3 7 is 21. That means you can write here 3 into 7. I hope here see 3 into 5 means 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Here also 3 into 7 means 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. Now you can see how can you find HCF.
Now you can see here LCM means least common multiple. HCF means highest common factor. Now you can see here.
See here HCF of 12, 15, 18. How can you find the HCF? Prime factorization. We are not doing division method. See here one entry is there. Product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. Smallest power we need to take. Which one? Common prime factor. See in this one 2 is a prime factor. But is it available in 15 and 21? It's not available. So that it's 2 is not common factor. 2 is not common prime factor. So don't consider 2. Next one you can see. Next which is 3 is available here. 3 also available here. 3 also available. Now whether you can check what is the power of 3 here. 1 only. Here also 1. Here also 1. That means you can consider here only 3. The HCF of 12, 15, 18 is only 3. Your answer is how much? 3 only. That means only I mentioned here. Product of the smallest power of each common prime factor of the numbers. If you want take 7. See 7 is available in 15. Not available. In 12 not available. If you want to take 5. Is it common prime factor? It's not common prime factor. So don't take 5 and 7 and 2. I hope you may understood this one. HCF, how to find the HCF in the similar way. LCM. LCM, how can you check? You can see here, product of the greatest power of each prime factor. Each prime factor, you have to remember here, each one. ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిన విషయం ఏంటి, ఈచ్ వన్. బట్ హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ హియర్ కామన్. You can remember here, for HCF you have to find the common prime factor. For LCM, each prime factor. For LCM you can take greatest power. For HCF, highest means you can take smallest power. For highest, smallest power, least common multiple, you can take greatest power. I hope you may understand this one. Now you can consider here LCF, product of the greatest power of each prime factor. Each prime factor. Now you can see here, in this one, what is the highest power? You can see here 2 is available, 2 square. That means you can write here 2 power 2. Next here how much? 3 power 1. Here how much? 3 power 1. Here how much? 3 power 1. Highest, which is 1. All are common, you can take, consider here 3 power 1 only. Next one, here 5 is available. Highest power is how much? 5 power 1 only. See here also 7. That means you can consider here 2 square is how much? 4. 4 3 is how much? 12. 12 5 is how much? 60. 67 is how much? 420. Your answer is how much? 420. LCM of 12, 15, 18 is 420. I hope you may understand this. In this way you can try the remaining problems in this page.
Thank you for watching this video. If you are not able to understand, please once again watch the video. It is easy LCM and HCF.